Welcome back. Now, depending on where you live in the world, you can ask ChatGPT to give you information on writing earnings disclaimers and essential pages. If you have a WordPress website, you can typically get these elements inside of certain plugins. However, if you choose not to operate using WordPress, you will want to have some kind of terms of service statement as well as an earnings disclosure, specifically when you're talking about a business related product. What we're going to do is assume that the business selling this product exists within the United States and that we need to write an earnings disclaimer for this particular business and this particular product that we are selling. And we have our prompt. We are now going to click enter. Now, anything that you get from ChatGPT should not be used in the place of legal advice. And so if you want to use this as a starting point, you still want to make sure that you are legally in compliance with laws in your country, in your region, and in your local area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.